While you're inspecting your awning, you may notice damage across the fabric. You can order a fabric repair kit from Lippert, and that repair kit will come with the Vibratight hole repair, the awning fabric adhesive for seam repair, and the Ultra Mark paint marker for scratch repair. The paint marker is used to repair any scratches that you can find throughout your awning's fabric. Use the paint marker and you blend the scratch in with the fabric so that you can no longer see it. Another kind of damage that can happen to your awning are pinholes or small holes in the fabric that will allow water to drip onto your patio area. For that, we recommend using the Vibratight that comes in your awning fabric repair kit. And with just 2 or 3 drops, you can fix holes 1/8 of a size or smaller. And if it's any larger than that, we would recommend contacting our approved contractor, Fibrenew, and once you contact them, they can fix larger holes on this vinyl fabric. One repair that you might need to perform on your awning fabric is a seam repair. This seam right here at our roll tube has started to separate. Now the separation can happen not only at the roll tube, but also at your awning rail. If this tear is larger than 6 inches, you'll want to replace your awning fabric. We've fully extended the awning to show this seam, and we've tied our awning down to give our fabric a little bit of slack. And now we'll take our awning fabric adhesive and add a good bead of the adhesive along the seam. And you can either use any standard clamp. For us, since the seam tear is so small, we can use this alligator clip. With our clamp in place, we'll let that dry for at least 4 hours before operating our awning again. You'll want to make sure there's pressure on it for at least a few minutes before removing the pressure to give that adhesive time to repair that seam.